Hello everyone, welcome to Research Academy. This is Sudipta, founder of Research. Today we are here for demo online application process. We are waiting all of us regarding this particular video. So let's start the video. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly do subscribe to it and press the bell icon. So let's start the video. Now, the site that I have already mentioned, the consortium of nlus.ac.in. So that is the site. Now we are here for the uh, website. We can see here in the mobile number, password, login and the account. Okay, the people who haven't registered it yet, kindly click on the registration button. Okay, and through that one pop-up will come and you have to put your name here and sorry, your name, mobile number, password and everything that'll be there that you have to put. Okay, and you confirm the password that you have put here and then register for it. Your one OTP will be sent to your mobile number. Just type that OTP and activate the account. Now after activating the account, you will get like this, like you have to put the mobile number through which you have just registered. अब जिस नंबर से रजिस्ट्रेशन किए हो अभी उसी मोबाइल नंबर को यहाँ पर डालना है एंड आप जो पासवर्ड यूज किए हो उसी को यहाँ पर टाइप करना है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द प्रोसेस. लेट्स सी. आई डोंट इवन नो. ओके, so clicking on the online button, okay, it has been redirected to this page where what does it say? Okay, now there is two options are there. One is undergraduate, one is postgraduate, but before that there are some instructions. Candidates are revised to check that they fulfill the eligibility condition. So eligibility condition already mentioned, like 50% for the general category and 45% for the OBC, ST, SC. Okay, so kindly check that. And a mere submission of CLAT 2020 application does not confer any candidate for right for admission. Okay, you have to verify the documents and everything while the admission process is going to be there. मई जून में जब एडमिशन होगा तब आपका डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड व्हाटएवर, जब जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन दैट यू आर गोइंग टू पुट इट हियर इन द दिस ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन, वो उस आपके डॉक्यूमेंट के साथ मैच करना चाहिए. व्हाट दे आर सजेस्टिंग, नथिंग एल्स. And detailed admission to the individuals in NLUs, candidates are required to go through the e-brochures, so you can check it, the e-brochures and everything. And NRI sponsored के लिए subject to outcome the decision of the Supreme Court of India. Now that's a different thing. Now let's delve into the main application process. Okay, so the first and foremost thing, I'm going to click on that postgraduate thing. Postgraduate में click किया, apply for CLAT 2020. So let's see another pop-up. This pop-up will say you have selected. Okay, clicking on the OK. Now directly I have been redirected to this particular pop-up. Now this was not there in CLAT PG 2019 when I filled up the form for all of you. In the video was there as well in CLAT PG 2019. So here it's a totally different thing now. Pop-up is there. Personal information that you have to fill it up here. Then the communication details like your address, the state, district and everything, permanent address, correspondent address that you want to fill it up here. Qualifying exam details are here, what the exam that you have qualified and everything, the board. Okay, that you have to put it. Okay, now the preferences, the most important thing, and a lot of you people are waiting for this. Now another tab, that is the registration. That you only be redirected to that tab, registration वाला tab, जब आप ये सब पूरा fill up कर लोगे. ठीक है, so let's start it. You will put your photograph and signature. That's not a point, but let's start with the this part. Okay, I'm putting the name. Sorry, yeah. Okay, select gender. I'm selecting it. Date of birth. Suppose give it 1990. Okay, now father's name, mother's name. Okay, then I'm selecting the nationality Indian and then category general. Okay, for other categories and everything, you can choose whatever category you belong. Okay, now select is the candidate is NRI sponsored or no. Okay, does this candidate belong to person with disability? No. And under BPL category or no. Okay, so all the things are no. Just filled it up. Now I have to upload the photograph and the signature of the applicant. I put the photograph and uploaded the signature as well. Now let's move on to the next step. What we have. Okay, clicking on this particular tab. Communication details. Okay, communication details. I'm just filling it up faster. Then West Bengal, District Kolkata. Okay, 7001. Same. Kolkata. You will choose according to your address. Okay, and you will fill it up like this. One mobile number I have already given, like this one that I have given. Okay, alternative contact number that I have to give it here, right? Okay, the email ID is this, putting it that will be the email ID that I'm going to give. Okay, now it's done. The second tab is completed. Now moving on to the qualifying exams. Okay, qualifying exams. Okay, 5-year LLB honors. Okay, board, giving the random board name. Okay, if you have already appeared or you have passed already, for that you can choose passed. Okay, and you are going to appear or just appeared, but you're for all the fifth year students specifically, they are going to choose this. Okay, I just click on the past. Okay, the month of passing, when did you pass, that you can choose. Okay, and for appearing, let's see what will happen. Okay, you will month of passing, like your exam would be on June or May or April. According to that, if you also contact your university regarding that as well, okay, when all the things will be done for you. Okay, the percentage and everything. So for percentage you can't fill it up for the appearing or the appeared because you don't know it. For the past, kindly fill up the percentage here, and also the date of passing or date of appearance is going to be filled up here. Okay, now I just click on the random. Okay, 2017. Okay, or 2016. Let's move on to the next tab. What we have. Okay, the next tab is the most important tab. Okay, and that tab what we are waiting for. But first, fill up the test center preferences. What we have. First, I am filling it up. Okay, I can find it. Where is it? Kolkata. Yes, Kolkata is first, and the second one is the, I'm searching here in West Bengal. Any other? Okay, got one. Siliguri, and another one. I'll choose Bhubaneswar. Okay, so I have selected the three preferences. According to you, you can choose your nearest center. Now let's talk about the NLU preferences. Now the most important part, what you are going to choose. Okay, there will be around 18 preferences that you have to choose, and depending on the different specialization that you are going to do, your preferences will be different. Okay, now so let's talk about first the corporate laws, the people who are going for the corporate laws, what they are going to choose. Okay, 6 to 7 or 8 preferences would be there, and other than that all the universities are kind of more or less same. So up, if you're not getting the top 8 preferences or 9 or 10 preferences, then after that I'll say, okay, you'll, if you're getting any other universities other than the top 10 preferences, then everything is more or less same. So top top 10 or top 8 preferences are the most important preferences that you have to select. Okay, now before starting this preferences thing, I want to share one thing with you. देखो, जो इम्पोर्टेंट बात है रिगार्डिंग द प्रेफरेंस में, कि प्रेफरेंस में बहुत चीज होती है कि द स्टूडेंट आप रिलोकेट करना चाहते हो या नहीं ऑल ओवर इंडिया में. दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू हैव टू आस्क योरसेल्फ. कि बहुत स्टूडेंट दे डोंट वांट टू रिलोकेट टू एनीवेयर. कि आप शायद यूपी में हो, आपको बैंगलोर पसंद नहीं है, ठीक है, हो सकता है. आप बैंगलोर वाले हो, आपको नॉर्थ पसंद नहीं हो सकता. So there are a lot of things, yeah, and you need to understand, you need to ask yourself, you need to ask your parents, teachers से बात कर लो and everything. And in this video I'm going to tell you कि कौन सा बेस्ट है आपके लिए. ये generally these are the universities that are the best on this specialization, moreover from top to bottom, so you can select the universities according to that. मैं प्रेफरेंस स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ. पहले द पीपल हु आर गोइंग फॉर द बिजनेस लॉज. ओके, द पीपल हु आर गोइंग फॉर द बिजनेस लॉज, उन लोगों के लिए बहुत आसान है. क्योंकि देखो, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग बिजनेस लॉज में जो है कि लॉट ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटी और मैक्सिमम ऑफ द यूनिवर्सिटीज दे प्रोवाइड स्पेशलाइजेशन इन बिजनेस लॉज. तो उतना प्रॉब्लम है नहीं, उतना झंझट है नहीं, ठीक है. तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई. और आपको एक नहीं मिलेगा तो दूसरे में मिल जाएगा, दूसरा नहीं मिलेगा तो तीसरे में मिल जाएगा, ठीक है. सो बट दिस इज द here is the list. तो फर्स्ट वन इज द NLSI Bangalore. सो इट्स ए नो ब्रेनर. यू कैन डेफिनेटली चूज the NLSI Bangalore for all the business and corporate law people. The second one is Nalsar, and third one is NEJUS. Now it's not like a second Nalsar a third NEJUS. If you want to go for NEJUS second or Nalsar third, or even if you are from West Bengal, so definitely they the students prefer the NEJS over the NLS sometimes, क्योंकि आपको relocate नहीं करना होता है. तो that I told you already कि whoever wants to relocate or don't want to relocate, that depending on the situation you are going to do it. Okay, so the Nalsar and NUJ's third. Fourth is Enlive Bhopal. The fourth one is the Enlive Bhopal. Bhopal is also there in the list. You can definitely try Bhopal as well. Now fifth, Jodhpur, as always good. And sixth one is HNLU Raipur. Seventh is GNLU. And I'll say after that it's moreover each and every NLU except the Nuals Kochi. Each and every NLU they provide the corporate law or business law specialization, so you can definitely try. I just given you out the top 8 preferences, and after that उसके बाद जो भी मिलता है you can definitely try for it. Okay, now let's start with the another preference, that is the constitution law. Now constitution law student, you people are asking कि आपके लिए उतना स्पेशलाइजेशन ऑफर शायद बिजनेस वालों के लिए जितना ऑप्शन है आपके लिए उतना ऑप्शंस नहीं है. बट nonetheless you don't need to worry because there are some really good options that you can definitely try. आप भी ट्राई कर सकते हो. तो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट is among the top NLUs, that is Enlive Bhopal. भोपाल के लिए आप डेफिनेटली जा सकते हो. एंड बट यहाँ पर कुछ रिजर्वेशंस दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक आफ्टर दिस पर्टिकुलर में प्रेफरेंस के बाद में बोल रहा हूँ क्यों भोपाल में कुछ रिजर्वेशंस है. नाउ अदर देन द भोपाल, RMLU is really good option. GNLU is there. GNLU is also another option that you can try. The third one is NLU-O. Fourth one is definitely fifth one is RGNUL, and also the Nuals Kochi is very good in constitutional law and administrative law as well. Now talking about the Bhopal and the GNLU, there are a lot of students, the previous students they have shared, but nonetheless whether it is existing or not, I am telling you again कि पहले जो students थे कुछ शेयर किए थे हम लोगों के साथ कि NLU भोपाल में constitution though it's in among the top NLU, but GNLU is better than NLU भोपाल regarding the constitution law honors, क्योंकि NLU भोपाल में कुछ I mean they don't have the separate rooms or they don't have the separate classroom for the constitution honors batch and everything, ठीक है. और GNLU is quite better, not in regard to the rooms only but also other faculties and everything. But we have heard it 1 year back, so many things can change. You can definitely try. GNLU is really good option. RMLU Lucknow is really good option, but RMLU Lucknow has really limited number of seats. So the people who are targeting the constitutional law, I'll definitely suggest you go for the GNLU or RMLU, or except this particular CLAT, NLU Delhi is one of the finest options that you can get for constitutional law and administrative law. Okay, so you have like 4 or 5 options like this: NLU Bhopal, NLU Delhi, GNLU, RMLU, NLU-O. NLU-O is another option that I forgot to mention. NLU-O is really good options. You can definitely go if you come to the Odisha, you can come and you can have really good faculties over there as well. Newell's Kochi is also very good because I was talking to one of the students there. She is pursuing in Newell's Kochi constitutional administrative law, and their faculty is really good. You can definitely try Newell's Kochi as well. In below the list, not above the list. I hope you have got it. Now let's talk about the next प्रेफरेंस, दैट इज ह्यूमन राइट्स. नाउ ह्यूमन राइट्स में उतना उतने स्टूडेंट्स नहीं रहते हैं जितना कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन और स्पेशलाइजेशन लाइक कॉर्पोरेट लॉ में चूज करते हैं, बट नॉनदलेस ह्यूमन राइट्स में वी डोंट हैव मच ऑप्शंस टू प्ले अराउंड, बट हम लोग के पास जो ऑप्शंस है वो एक बार देख लेते हैं. वी हैव दिस 3 ऑप्शंस. एनएलएस द टॉप NLS of Bangalore provides human rights. You can definitely try human rights from NLS of Bangalore, and side by side you can try the NLU Delhi. NLU Delhi is really good in human rights as well. So NLS, NLU Delhi, and a third, and that is also good. That is RMNLU Lucknow. It's in the third in the list. Okay. Now let's talk about the next specialization that is also very lucrative for all of the students who are looking for the placements after LLM. ठीक है, तो बेसिकली वो स्पेशलाइजेशन है आईपीआर. नाउ आईपीआर के लिए we have a really good list and you have a lot of options as well क्योंकि corporate laws or IPR are booming. Okay, so you have a lot of options for IPR as well. So let's see the options what we have. The first is Nalsar. Nalsar is really good in IPR, and the second is NLU Jodhpur, that you can definitely try for NLU Jodhpur. The third option is NLU Bhopal. Bhopal has also IPR but it's attached with business law. तो आपको अगर business law नहीं पढ़ना है, सिर्फ IPR पढ़ना है, तो NLU Bhopal is not the place to go for. Now, fourth option, I'll definitely tell you to go to HNLU Raipur. And fifth option would be for you RMLU Lucknow. Lucknow is really good, but Lucknow mein jagah seats are very limited, so you have to really fight for the RMLU Lucknow. Sixth is NLU Ranchi. You can definitely try it out. And seventh is NLU Assam. Okay, so these are the 7 preferences that you have for IPR as well. And after that, if you are getting anywhere like any university like Simla or any other universities, you can definitely try after that. Okay, so that depending on your availability after these 7 preferences. And now let's talk about the another specialization that's not quite in vogue, but nonetheless some students they prefer to choose for personal laws. Okay, so personal laws preferences are, you don't have much options around the 18 universities, but you have only 2 options to choose for, 2 or 3 options. So the best 2 options are, one is definitely it's the best in personal laws, that is Nalsar. You can definitely go for Nalsar. And the second is NLU Assam. So these 2 options, really good options that you have to play for. Now the next important specialization that you can have and the students are looking for, that is environmental law. Environmental law में भी उतना सारा options है नहीं हम लोग के पास, क्योंकि students they prefer environmental law. Okay, but not a lot of universities provide environmental law as a specialization. But अगर आपको choose करना है regarding and you are giving the CLAT for that, so regarding that I'll tell you the 2 universities that are very good for environmental law. That is, one is RMLU Lucknow. You can definitely try for it, RMLU Lucknow. And the second is NLU Assam. Okay, NLU Assam is definitely one of the options for you. And the third is NLU Delhi. NLU Delhi environmental law is really good for you if you are going to NLU Delhi. Now NLU Delhi has a different setup, like constitutional law, like human rights, like environmental law, or maybe, if I'm not wrong, criminology is also there. So when we are going to talk about the criminal law, we are going to see as well. So NLU Delhi, other than this CLAT wala thing, NLU Delhi has a good setup specialization, so you can definitely look at IELTS PG as well. Okay, now let's talk about Criminal law. Now, in criminal law, the options are not very much like business law or IPR, but we have some limited options that we have for all the criminal law students who are applying for the CLAT PG. The four options are there. The first and foremost option, that is in Live Bhopal. That's one of the top most NLUs, and you can definitely try that. Okay, in Live Bhopal. The second option, you can definitely go for, that is GNLU. GNLU is also good. And the third is RMLU Lucknow. RMLU Lucknow has a very good specialization branch, and there are different set of specialization. You can definitely look for RMLU Lucknow, but RMLU Lucknow में problem यही है कि वहाँ पर seats बहुत कम है. You have to really fight for RMLU Lucknow. Okay, and the third and the fourth option is for criminology is this, that is the RGNUL. RGNUL is another one that you can definitely look for. Now, next specialization is international law. Let's talk about that. And there are very good options that is available for the international law specialized students. So let's check it out. This is the list. The first one is NUJS. NUJS is, I can say, is best in international law in India. You can definitely try international law. Okay. Now the second option you have, that is NALSA. NALSA have two different options. One is trade law and might be one international trade law with international law. So there might be some mixing. So you might choose trade law over the international law. You can go and check it out, the NALSA website as well. The third option that you can have, that is RMLU. RMLU has, I told you already, RMLU has a lot of different branches, so you can definitely try RMLU. The fourth option is GNLU, very good options. Fifth options is RGNUL, and sixth is NLU Assam, and seventh is NLU Ranchi. So these seven options that you people have to fill out. Okay, so this would be your seventh options. And let's talk about, we are done, right? We have covered. Okay, so we have covered lot of specialization from business laws, constitutional laws, human rights, criminal law, international law, and then IPR and environmental law. So we have covered a lot of things. But nonetheless, if you're going for any other preferences that we haven't covered here in this video, kindly mention below in the comment box. So we'll definitely help you out if you have, if you want to go for any other preferences. Okay, so now let's come to the online application what I was doing. Okay, so this is the NLU preferences list is there already. So select, I am selecting the IPS student. Okay, I'm an IPS student. I'm going to fill it up. The first is Nalsar. I'm going to fill it up. The second preference, I'm going to fill it up like NLU Jodhpur. Okay, Jodhpur, where is it? Jodhpur, NLU Jodhpur. Third preference, I'm going to have NLU Bhopal. Okay, fourth preference, I'm going to have HNLU Raipur. Okay, great. And the fifth preference, I'm going to have RMU Lucknow. Sixth, okay. Sixth preference, we have NLU Ranchi. Okay, where is it? Ranchi. Ranchi is not there. Where is Ranchi? Okay, here is Ranchi. Seventh preference, we have NLU Assam. Where is Assam? Now here is another. It's your eighth preference is Bangalore as a IPS student, but nonetheless you can put it out like char પાંચ preferences. You can give it the best, and after that you will choose the Bangalore, Kolkata, because these are really good universities. You can you might shift your specialization for these universities, because getting into these universities, it will change your life. Okay, so like after fourth you can put the Bangalore here in Armnu Lucknow. Okay, you can put it there, or at least at sixth, Bangalore at sixth for IPS students, or NHS Kolkata at seventh, because you might not get IPR there, but you will get the corporate or business law, so you have to shift it. So you are totally focused for the IPR, then this would be your seventh preferences. Okay, that I have already told you. But if you want to swap it with, okay, chalta hai कि I'll try with Kolkata, or I'll try with in let's say Bangalore. मुझे अगर IPR नहीं भी मिलता है तो I will go for the corporate law. So you can definitely put एक पाँच छः में आप यहाँ पर बैंगलोर कोलकाता डाल दो that, and after that you will choose whatever according to your wish. Okay, uh, because after that it doesn't matter at the end of the day, because उसके बाद कुछ भी मिलता है तो you are going to get it, जो आपको चाहिए उस हिसाब से नहीं मिलने वाला है, what I'm saying. Okay, तो fill it up. Novels Kochi NLU O. uh, okay, and last one is the, but not the list, HPNLU. HPNLU has different various specialization, you can definitely check it out. Okay, because it has started newly and it has lot of specialization, lot of really lot of. Now these are the list, but here what I told you already, if someone is totally focused for that specialization कि मुझे यही चाहिए उसके बाहर कुछ नहीं चाहिए, then you should go for, because this is the IPR वाला thing. IPR में मुझे IPR ही चाहिए, then you are going to fill up like this. Okay, other than that there are a lot of RGNLU, are you are putting RGNLU in 11th or GNLU 10th because they don't provide the IPR. Okay, now you are going for another specialization, these universities will come up higher in the rank. Okay, so if you're totally strict with something कि आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हो कि मुझे पहले IPR चाहिए, then I'll put the preference like business law, then I'll put the preference like environmental law. आप ऐसे करके आप you will choose according to that, or you can choose it like नहीं मुझे I can shift like मुझे constitution criminal कुछ भी मिलेगा, I'll go there, so I'll put the preference according to that. So I'll give you the whole lot of options, you can definitely try and choose आपके हिसाब से, आप जो चाहना चाहते हो या नहीं चाहना चाहते हो, relocate करना चाहते हो नहीं करना चाहते हो, and everything that totally depends on you. But this is the actual list, or the, you can choose from top to bottom, top to bottom. Now let's talk about the next part. Coming to the next part. Okay. Okay, I missed one thing. Enter 6 digits pin. Okay, I have entered 7 digits pin. Okay, done. Have to fill it up again. Oh, sorry. No, I don't need to. Great. Now what I'm getting here. Okay, the reservation. So I have selected general already, so I might not get a lot of things. RMLU Lucknow is providing EWS, so you can definitely select there. Okay, general, Rachi, general, Karnataka. Now there are some EWS that you can definitely try. Okay, so I'm not putting that, but you can definitely try some EWS provided by different universities. Okay, so confirm it, and I'm going to submit the form. Okay, I'm going to submit the form now. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Please confirm your actions. Okay, I have submitted it. Now let's see what will happen. Submitted. Okay, good. My application number is this, name submitted but payment pending. Okay, edit application form, you can edit it anytime, so let's click it. What will show? Let's see. Okay, you can edit anything. Okay, you can edit anything whatever you have put it already. Okay, that's great. So you can definitely submit, or you can definitely edit it whenever you want. Okay, great. So let's close it, and so let's see how we can make payment and everything. Okay, now payment, regarding the payment, application fees 4,000 as always. Previous is question paper, last 2019 question paper, you can definitely buy from here. 500 leke confirm the payment. So let's see if we confirm the payment, one pop-up will show. Okay, online payment aa raha hai, amount payable 4,500. Okay, by clicking the terms and condition, privacy policy, pay now. As always, Razorpay is the mode through which you are going to pay. Okay, Razorpay is very secure payment gateway, so you can definitely try. And your email ID and proceed. Let's see what are the payment methods that we have. Jurissearch@gmail.com. Okay, okay, proceed. Okay, we have cards, we have net banking, all payment methods. This two have. Okay, card is card. Okay, that's all. Mastercard, Visa, and net banking like this. Yeah, there is no different wallet system is there, but nonetheless this is the whole application process that we have shown it to you. Okay, if you have any kind of query, if your specialization is not being mentioned here, kindly comment below in the comment box. And if you have any other query other than this particular online application or anything, definitely feel free to comment below. We'd love to take it as video topic in the coming weeks. So this is the process. This video is waiting, I mean you are waiting for this video for too long. I hope that'll help you out. And after that, if you face any problem like रिजर्वेशन में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो वो थोड़ा एक बार देख लो आप, ठीक है. रिजर्वेशन एंड एनीथिंग यू आर गोइंग फॉर एनी पर्टिकुलर रिजर्वेशन स्टेट डोमिसाइल और कहीं पर चाह रहे हो आप, तो उसके लिए थोड़ा पढ़ के फॉर्म फिलअप कर लेना, ठीक है. दैट आई विल टेल यू. एंड द लिस्ट आई हैव ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइडेड टू यू कि कौन से स्पेशलाइजेशन कौन सा बेटर है एंड एवरीथिंग. सो दैट विल हेल्प यू आउट कि कौन सा अच्छा है कौन सा नहीं है एंड एवरीथिंग, ठीक है. So this is the important thing. And so I hope you like the video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And also CLAT PG crash course January batch is going on. Don't miss that. It is the most comprehensive and most affordable crash course program that you can get, where you are going to get the live classes, recorded classes, 3 kinds of study material, and also the mock test, comprehension based weekly test that is also included, and also the subjective answer guide that we are going to review it and give you feedback individually, so don't miss it as well. So these are the things. The link is given below of the CLAT PG crash course, so definitely check it out. And we're going to meet again soon regarding your next video topic. And until then, thank you, goodbye, see you soon.